What's the meaning of aniseed? Aniseed. 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 Aniseed.
Aniseed refers to the small, oval seeds of the anise plant, which have a distinctly sweet, licorice-like flavor and are commonly used as a spice or flavoring agent in cooking and baking. When added to dishes, aniseed can impart a warm, slightly spicy taste that is often used to enhance the flavor of savory foods like meats, vegetables, and soups, as well as sweet treats like cookies, cakes, and candies. The seeds can also be brewed into a tea or herbal infusion, which is believed to have digestive and soothing properties.